Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're making mac and cheese, but not the American recipe. Today's recipe is a mix between the Albanian fried pasta and the American mac and cheese. Now you might be wondering, what the heck is Albanian fried pasta? Well, it's a very delicious recipe, but when you mix it with cheese, it becomes even more delicious. To make this incredible recipe of mac and cheese, my way, we need these ingredients. Your favorite shape of pasta, some Parmesan cheese, some cheddar cheese or any type of your favorite cheese, a very thin slice of bread, a garlic clove, and 1 tablespoon of butter. First, we are going to brush the slice of bread with some olive oil and then slowly toast it until it becomes very crispy. Next, we are going to grate the cheeses. Now here you can literally use any type of cheese that you like. In my scenario, I'm using Parmesan and cheddar, but if you like any other type, feel free to use it. When it comes to using the right cheese, there are 2 specific rules. The first one, do not use pre-shredded cheese. The pre-shredded cheese has lost all the moisture and it will not melt properly. The second one, do not use dry cheese like feta. Dry cheese does not melt properly as well, and the consistency will be very off. Try to use cheeses that melt really well, like pecorino romano or parmesan.
Get over here! Get over here!
After we have shredded the cheeses, it's now time to cook the pasta. Before we cook the pasta, don't forget to check my Instagram page, Giulio Cooks, where I post other recipes and restaurant reviews. Here's a fun fact, I started cooking and then I forgot to press the record button, so I had to make this dish again just for the camera, and that's why the pot is not clean. Put the pan on high heat, add the butter, and then add the pasta. If you have noticed so far, I am not measuring anything. Add as much pasta as you like, add as much cheese as you like, and add as much butter as you like. It's totally up to you. And guess what? We're frying the pasta, that's why it's called fried pasta in Albanian. We are going to continuously mix until the pasta gets that golden brownish color. As soon as we achieve that, we are going to add enough water to cover the pasta. Make sure the water is hot. As you can see, the water is going to start boiling right away, so be really careful. We are going to let the pasta boil, and when we see that the water is running out, we are going to try the pasta. If the pasta is cooked, then we shut the heat off. But if it needs more time, just make sure to add a little bit more water. Repeat the last 2 steps until the pasta is fully cooked. Now here comes a very key moment. When the pasta is cooked, you should leave a little bit of water at the end of the pan, just like in the video. This is pretty much a turning point to this recipe. What this water is gonna do is that it's gonna make the cheeses melt better and make them more creamy. Make sure you turn the heat off, add the cheeses, and mix really well.
Goodbye.
Put the pasta aside and now grab the bread that we toasted earlier. Using 1 garlic clove, try to rub it against the bread, so we flavor the bread with some garlic. Crumble the bread using your hands and put it aside. Grab a glass bowl and put the mac and cheese that we just prepared. Here is me thinking I'm only gonna have half of the dish and then I just add all of it. Add the breadcrumbs, and this is my version of mac and cheese. Now look at that cheese pool. I hope you guys really enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe below, like this video, and I'll see you on the next one.